Magsaing tayo ng malagkit with pure malagkit with coconut milk. Here's the result of our sinuman na niluto lang sa rice cooker. So, wala nang kiwar-kiwar yan. Oh, ayos. Sarap. Suman na hindi binalot. Malinis. It's here na. If like this bate yan, you're putting condensed milk before you bake it. Silip, not yet. There you go. Oh, that's the output of baked suman.